Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can other people see your Google Photos? Let's get started by open Google Photos application. Then click at the profile icon at the right top. Now go to Google Photos settings and to sharing. Then click Manage Sharing Activity. But here we can check your shared links, memories and conversation. So open Shared Links, and right here you will see some photo and a trash icon near to it. So if you don't want to share this photo or photos anymore, just click at the trash icon and then click Delete. And you just stop share this link. Then go back, go to the memories and make the same for the memories. Then we have conversation, open conversation. You can check what you shared to this user, and then you can click at the three dots at the right top, sharing. Firstly you can check sharing settings, but right here we have only location. So if you don't want to share a location, just tap at the slider have colorful background. You can also add some people, but you can also leave this conversation near to you. You will see leave button, just tap at this button and click leave. Also, right here in the Manage Sharing Activity we cannot check shared links for the albums. So if you want to check it, just go back, go to the collections, albums, and right here tap at the album. So the first album, as you can see, it asks me do I want to share this link? I can by just tap on it and then send it to someone, or as you can see right here I haven't it, but I already have some user here, so you can check it and I share right now with this user. If you want to remove this user, just click at the three dots near to the user and remove person. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.